In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to preview tags while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Solidworks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. This powerful tool enables you to create customized learning paths and training programs tailored to PTC Creo users. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a knowledge path with relevant tags, starting with an overview of the Create or Edit Paths module. Let's dive into the process of creating a knowledge path. It's as simple as following these 3 steps. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Step 3, preview tags. Step 1, selecting the knowledge path type. Start by clicking on the Create button in the Select Knowledge Path Type section. Here, you'll see 2 options, 1, Personal Knowledge Path and 2, Company Knowledge Path. For this demonstration, we'll choose Personal Knowledge Path. Next, you'll decide on the relationship type. For a None category knowledge path, no parent-child hierarchy is needed. This makes the path a standalone resource. Step 2, specifying knowledge path attributes. Now, specify the knowledge path attributes. Enter a unique and descriptive name for your path, up to 90 characters. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context or link to external resources. When you're done, click Next to proceed. In the Add Tags section, organize your knowledge path by using relevant tags. Tags make it easier for users to find your content. You can choose from various tag options, such as video tutorials, help documents, enhancements, etc. All the tabs available in the Tags dashboard will be visible here. Note, if a tag is not created from the Insights engine, Tips and Tricks, or Product 360 module, these tabs will be empty, and you will not be able to create a knowledge path. Click on any tab to add tags to your knowledge path. For instance, in this case, we have selected the Video Tutorials tab. Each icon represents a tab, and the icon mentioned here represents video-related tags. Step 3, Preview Tags. Preview a tag's content before adding it to the path. To preview a specific tag, click on this icon. Here, the tag preview of one of the tag named Support Mass Idealizations in Generative Design. You can even click on the hyperlink to confirm whether the link is redirecting to the proper place or not. With the preview feature, users can detect and correct errors before sharing their tags and knowledge paths. This ensures accuracy, builds confidence, and saves time, leading to reliable, high-quality content. Learn to use the preview feature in Punditas AI for PTC Creo to review and refine your tags and knowledge paths. Ensure accuracy and boost confidence before sharing high-quality content. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.